Hello dear students, today we are at the last part of the real numbers. We will solve exercise 1.4. Before that we will learn how to find a rational as terminating decimal or non-terminating decimal. If terminating, after how many places. So let us learn the theorem 1.7. Let x is equal to p over q, where p and q are co-primes, but be a rational number such that the prime factorization of q is not in the form 2 raised to the power n and 5 raised to the power m, where m and n are non-negative integers, then x has a decimal expansion which is non-terminating, non-repeating or recurring. So we can conclude that decimal expansion of every rational number is either terminating or non-terminating, repeating. So what the theorem says? Theorem says first you write down the rational expression p and q, then check your denominator. If q has the factors 2 and 5 only, then this is terminating decimal. And this denominator q has other factors than your 2 and 5. It is non-terminating but repeating. We may ask, then what will be non-repeating? If it is non-repeating, it is irrational number. It cannot be a rational number. तो ये थ्योरम क्या बोलता है? अगर कोई रैशनल नंबर में डिनोमिनेटर में 2 फैक्टर है या 5 है, देन ये टर्मिनेटिंग होगा. 2 होगा या 5 होगा, दोनों जरूरत नहीं है. अगर 2, 5 छोड़ के और कुछ भी आ गया, 3 आ गया, 7 आ गया, तो ये नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग हो जाएगा. और नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग रिपीटिंग हो जाएगा तो नॉन रिपीटिंग में क्या होगा? नॉन रिपीटिंग जो है वो non-repeating decimals are not rationals, are irrational numbers. So with this, let us solve the questions exercise 1.4. Here many parts are given. Question is, without actually performing long division, state whether the following numbers has terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So we'll go one by one. So many parts are there. First, I'm going for 13 by 3, 1, 2, 5. We'll see whether it will be terminating or non-terminating decimal expansion. For this, what we have to do? We have to take the denominator and 5 its prime factorization. So 3, 1, 2, 5 as the end or unit place digit 5, it will go by 5. So fix 6 times 30, 5 2 times 5. Again it ends in 5, it will go by 5. So 5, 1, 2, 5. Again it will go by 5. So 25. Again it will go by 5. So 3, 1, 2, 5 is equal to how much? 5 to the power 5. So it has only factors 5. So what about terminating or non-terminating? It is terminating decimal expansion. Coming to 7 by 8. 8 you can factorize immediately. 2 into 2 into 2. So it has factor 2 only. So it will be again terminating. Coming to third one, 4, 5, 5. It will go with 5. 5 9 times 45, 1. 91 goes with 7, 13. So 445 has factor 5 is 7 and 13. Though 5 is there, but still these two are there other than 5. So third is non-terminating, non-terminating and repeating. Coming to 15 by 1600. Achha, one thing I want to clear that first you will simplify this. If it can be make into lowest, make it lowest, then you will go for this method. So 1600 is equal to, to 800 to 400 to 200 to 100, then you have 250 to 25, 5, 5. So 1600 is equal to 2, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then your 5 2 times. So it has only factors 2 and 5. So it is terminating. So you can pause the video, you can try, find or answer yourself also. Next I'll go for next part. Now 29 upon 3, 4, 3, fifth part. So 3, 4, 3, its factor is only 7. So 343 is equal to 7 power 3. So what will be your conclusion? It will be non-terminating, repeating. Now coming to sixth one. It is already given 2, there are 3 2s and 2 5s. So no need of doing anything. It will be terminating because there are only 2 and 5. Coming to seventh one, oh, there is 7 or many 7s are there. So it is non-terminating. You may be are thinking 2 are there, 5 are there, but still if extra will be there, other than 2 and 5, it will be non-terminating, non-repeating. 6 and 15, first you make it lowest, don't factorize 15. So it will be 3 2 times, 3 5 times. Then it has only 5, so it will be terminating. Next is, if terminating, after how many places it will terminate. This is another interesting higher level question. So you have already done it. 13. How many powers were there? If you recall, there were 5. 5. That means it will terminate after 5 decimal places. After 5 decimal places. That means you count how many 5s are there or how many 2s are there, so that it will made into 10. When you will divide by 10, you can write the decimal expansion. Suppose for example, I'll write 3 by 10, it will be 0.3. If I'll write 3 by 100, it will be your 0.03. That means we are making 10 in the denominator. So there are 5 5s, we need 5 2s so that I can make 5 tens. So when I'm dividing 5 tens, it will terminate after 5 decimals. Now coming to second part, 8 is equal to 2 raised to the 3. So it will be made into 3 tens. 3 tens means it will terminate after 3 decimal points, decimal places. And this is non-terminating. We have done it, so I am not calculating. Now this one, there was 2 6 1600 is a 5 power 2 and 2 there were 6, so maximum number is 2, so maximum 10 will be only 6. So when it will made into 10 6, that means it will terminate after 6 decimal places. Isn't interesting? Without division you can write so many things. Now coming to fifth one. It was non-terminating, so no need of calculating. C1 sixth one. How many twos are there? 3. How many fives are there? 2. So see the which one is maximum. 2 is maximum, so 10 will be 3. 10 will be 3. So when 3, it will terminate after 3 decimals. What about this? Non-terminating. It was how much? 3 2 5. So 1 5 is there, so it will terminate after 1 decimal. Terminate after 1 decimal. Okay, so let us check it. So 2 division 5, it will be 0.50420. So it is terminate after 1 decimal. Next, 35 by 50 50. So as I told, first you simplify 5 7 5 10. So there is 1 10 only, so it will terminate after 1 decimal place. Now coming to 77 by 210. This is divisible by 7. 11 7 30. So terminal or terminating or non-terminating? Non-terminating, because 30 is can be written as 3 into 5 into 2. So there is a 2 factor. So it is non-terminating. So no need. Non-terminating, repeating. So no need of writing after how many places it will terminate. So I hope you've understood. So next time we'll go for some 1 mark questions. Or you can say MCQ. Thank you for watching.